Hello friends, few days ago I asked about this graph on my Telegram channel. In this video I'll explain it along with the similar multiple choice question on acid-base disturbance. This graph is displaying pH level, PCO2 level and hydrogen ion concentration. Here is the another similar graph called acid-base nomogram that shows pH level, bicarbonate level and PCO2 level. To understand this graph, it is essential to know the normal values of all this. Normal pH is 7.4, bicarbonate level is 24 and PCO2 level is 40. Remember this 4. pH is 7.4, bicarbonate is 24 and PCO2 is 40. On graph you can see this middle part which is representing the normal value 7.4 pH, 24 bicarbonate, and this red line is suggesting PCO2, so 40 is normal PCO2 level. Okay, this middle part is representing normal value. Now we'll try to figure out what this red box is representing. First look at the pH. pH is more than 7.4, so it must be alkalosis. Okay, pH is more than normal value. Now look at the bicarbonate level. Red box bicarbonate level is again more, so bicarbonate level is again more than normal. Now this red line is representing PCO2. Third one, you have to look at the PCO2 level, which is again more than normal. So PCO2 level is again more than normal. To identify whether it is caused by respiratory or a metabolic issue, there is one simple trick. You have to check the bicarbonate level and PCO2 level, whether it is in the same direction as in a pH or in a reverse direction. If all are in the same direction, then cause must be metabolic. And if bicarbonate and PCO2 level in a reverse direction from pH, then the cause must be respiratory. Okay. So here in red box, all are in the same direction. pH is more, bicarbonate is more and PCO2 is more. So it is metabolic alkalosis. Okay, here you can check this. Now again understand this. First you have to look for pH, whether it is increased or decreased. Normal is 7.4. Then you have to look for PCO2 level and bicarbonate level. Okay, if pH level is increased more than 7.4, then it must be alkalosis, right? PCO2 level normal is 40 and bicarbonate level is 24. Now if PCO2 level and bicarbonate level in the same direction, then the cause must be metabolic. If pH is more and PCO2 and bicarbonate level in a reverse direction, then cause must be respiratory, right? First look at the pH, then PCO2 and bicarbonate level in which direction, whether it is same direction or in a reverse direction. If pH is less than 7.4, then it is acidosis. Simple. And if bicarbonate level and PCO2 level both in the same direction, then it is metabolic. Okay, and same pH is less, acidosis, and bicarbonate and PCO2 level in a reverse direction, then cause must be respiratory. Here it is respiratory acidosis, metabolic acidosis. This is metabolic acidosis, respiratory acidosis, respiratory alkalosis, and first one is metabolic alkalosis. So it is very easy to understand with this trick. Just remember this: respiratory is reversed. Respiratory is reversed means bicarbonate and PCO2 level both are reversed. Now try to figure out this red box. I will give you 10 seconds. Okay, now first you have to look for pH. pH is less than 7.4, so it is acidosis, right? It is acidosis. Now check for bicarbonate level. So it is less than 24. pH is less, bicarbonate level is again less, and third one you have to check for PCO2 level. PCO2 normal is 40, so here is the red line is below 40. Okay, so PCO2 level is again less, so pH is less, so acidosis, and bicarbonate and PCO2 level is in the same direction, so cause is metabolic, right? So answer is metabolic acidosis. So here you can see the answer, metabolic acidosis, right? Now try to solve this red box. Okay, so first you have to look for pH. It is less than 7.4. pH is less than 7.4, so it is acidosis, right? Next you have to look for bicarbonate, which is more than 7.4. pH is less, bicarbonate level is more, and PCO2 level 40. This line represent 40, so it is more than 40. So PCO2 level is again more than 40, more than normal. So look, pH is less and bicarbonate and PCO2 level is raised. So the cause must be respiratory. Cause is respiratory. So this box represents respiratory acidosis. So respiratory acidosis, right? Okay, now try to figure out this red box. Okay, so now pH more than 7.4, pH is more than 7.4, so it is alkalosis, right? Alkalosis, pH is more than 7.4. Now look for bicarbonate level. Bicarbonate level is less than 24. Bicarbonate is less than 24, and PCO2 level. PCO2 level is again less than 40. Okay, so pH is more, but bicarbonate and PCO2 is reversed, so it is respiratory. Very easy to understand. This box is respiratory alkalosis. So here you can see that respiratory alkalosis, right? Now here in respiratory acidosis and alkalosis, you have noticed that it is written acute, right? It is written acute, and these two blue boxes are representing chronic one. This is acute one, acute respiratory, and these are chronic one, right? Chronic respiratory alkalosis, acute respiratory alkalosis, acute respiratory acidosis, and chronic acidosis respiratory, right? Now to understand this, you must know about the buffer system of our body. I have explained it in a detail in my other video. I have given the link in a description so you can see it in later on. But here just remember, first line of defense against pH change is blood buffer. Second one is respiratory compensation. And third one is renal compensation. So if metabolic disturbance is there, respiratory compensation will be quick, but if respiratory disturbance is there, renal compensation will take time to develop. And that is why respiratory disturbance will be acute and chronic. To identify whether it is acute or chronic, just remember that if the line or a band is near to normal pH, then it is chronic. And if it is away from the line, then it is acute one. Okay. Chronic is near to normal line of pH because compensatory mechanisms are working. So here you can see chronic respiratory bands are near to normal pH. So just remember this: acute is away, and chronic is near to pH line, okay. So in a quick revision, remember, first look for pH, then bicarbonate level and PCO2 level, okay. If all are in the same direction, then it is metabolic, and if bicarbonate and PCO2 level in a reversed direction, in opposite direction, then the cause is respiratory, okay. Causes, if bicarbonate and PCO2 level is reversed from pH, then the cause is respiratory. In a respiratory cause, if the band or line is near to normal pH line, then it is chronic one, and if the line or band is away from the normal pH line, then it is acute one, okay. Acute is away. Now try to solve this question. Identify acid-base disturbance in this patient. pH is 7.56, PCO2 is 54, bicarbonate is 45. So first look at the pH. pH is more than 7.4, so it is alkalosis. So these two options are gone. Next, PCO2 is more than 40 and bicarbonate is more than 24. So all are in the same direction. So cause is metabolic, and here it is alkalosis. So answer is metabolic alkalosis. Here is the next question. What will be in compensated metabolic alkalosis? Remember this: alkalosis pH is more, and in metabolic bicarbonate and PCO2 level is in the same direction. So pH is more, so PCO2 and bicarbonate will be increased. So here answer will be PCO2 is increased. So this is all about the acid-base disturbance. If you find this video informative, then please do like and share this video, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.